guys, so welcome back to my channel, Sean Specialties. So today I am making one of my favorite Thanksgiving treats. It is the pumpkin bread. So what the ingredients are is 2 large eggs, a half a cup of avocado oil, 1 cup of water, 3/4 of a cup of huge gems, and the pumpkin bread mix. So, I want to give a shout out to my friends at Hue Kitchen for their amazing products. They're best in class. And folks, when you want to get a bite of chocolate, just grab some Hue Gems. They are amazing. So, thank you, Hue Kitchen. You can follow them at Hue Kitchen, their Instagram and Facebook. So, what we do is we pour the 2 large eggs into the mixing bowl with the half a cup of avocado oil, and you have to mix the eggs with all this. I mixed them before. You can do it before or when they're in the bowl. And then you get your spoon and you just mix it. And then you get the pumpkin bread mix and put that in. That's good. Then you just get a spatula and you fold it over. You want to get all that bread mix, pumpkin bread mix. All that mixed in, just fold it over like this. You get the sides. Always remember to get the sides because they stick to the sides, and if you don't, then there'll be pumpkin bread mix in your pumpkin bread. We're about done. I'm going to use a few more folds and we're about done. About done. So then you get the huge gems, and look, they literally look like gems. It's so cool. And you just pour them in there. And you fold them in with the pumpkin bread mix. And that looks about done. So, now you get this and pour this all in to a 9x5 bread baking glass bowl. Good. Then put this in the oven for 350 for 55 to 60 minutes. And I already have one ready, and this is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna put this over here, and I'm gonna my bowl and everything over here. So, and let's try it. This is the moment you've all been waiting for. These gems in the pumpkin bread is so amazingly good. I love this. Leave a comment down below if you like this. I'll leave the link to Hue Kitchen down below. And remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And I'll see you next time, guys, in the next video. Bye, guys.